Hey folks, Scotty Kilmer here. If you're running to the mechanic for every little issue, you're just burning cash. Today, I'll show you how to fix the most common car problems yourself, fast, easy, and right in your driveway. Welcome to Fix Pro Garage. Let's get your car running like new again. Let's start with a classic. Your car won't start. Pop the hood and check the battery for corrosion or loose connections. Clean and tighten as needed. Hear a click? Jump start it with cables or a jump starter. Still nothing. Check the starter relay and fuses. Replace any burnt ones. If the starter's stuck, a gentle tap might get you going, but plan to replace it soon. Always make sure the car's in park or neutral before working. Most no-start issues are simple: batteries, fuses, or starters. Try these steps before calling a tow truck. Save your money and get back on the road fast. Rough idle making your car shake. Don't worry, there are several easy fixes you can try at home. Start by cleaning the throttle body with cleaner and a rag. Carbon buildup is a common culprit. Make sure to disconnect the battery before cleaning for safety. Next, check your spark plugs. If they're dirty, worn, or the gap is off, replace or re-gap them for smoother combustion. Listen for vacuum leaks. Hissing sounds are a giveaway. Spray soapy water on hoses to spot bubbles and replace any cracked or leaking hoses. Don't forget the air filter. A clogged one can choke your engine. Swap it out for a new filter if it looks dirty. Clean the mass airflow sensor with the right cleaner. Just be gentle and let it dry completely before reinstalling. These quick DIY fixes can smooth out your idle, boost performance, and save you a trip to the shop. Grab your tools and give it a try. Your car and wallet will thank you. Overheating is serious. Pull over and shut off the engine if the temp gauge spikes. Once cool, check coolant level and top off if needed. Make sure the radiator fan runs with the engine and AC on. Replace fuses, relays, or the fan motor if it doesn't. A stuck thermostat can cause overheating. Replace it if needed. Inspect for radiator leaks and fix them ASAP. Never open a hot radiator cap. Stay on top of your cooling system to avoid major damage. Quick checks now save you from costly repairs later. Squeaky or grinding brakes. Don't ignore it. Catching issues early saves money and keeps you safe. Worn brake pads are the usual culprit. Replace them before they damage your rotors. Always check pad thickness and look for uneven wear. Clean out dust and debris with brake cleaner and a wire brush. Remove rust and buildup for quieter brakes. Grinding means metal on metal. Replace pads and likely rotors. Check for warped or grooved rotors too. Check brake fluid. Top off or flush if dirty. Bleed brakes if pedal feels spongy. Apply brake grease to contact points and anti-squeal compound to pad backs for silent stops. With these DIY tips, you'll silence those squeaks and drive with confidence. Slow starts, dim lights, or clicking sounds when you turn the key. These are classic signs of a weak battery. First, check your battery's age. If it's over 3 to 5 years old, it's time to consider a replacement. Next, clean and tighten the battery terminals. Corrosion or loose connections can cause power loss and starting issues. Recharge a weak battery with a charger, or get a free battery test at most auto parts stores to confirm its condition. Don't forget to check the alternator and its belt. If it's faulty, your battery won't stay charged. Inspect the battery case for swelling, leaks, or cracks. Replace immediately if you spot any damage for safety. When installing a new battery, always connect the positive cable first, then the negative, and wear gloves for protection. Recycle your old battery at a recycling center or auto parts store. Never throw it in the trash. Keep jumper cables or a portable jump starter in your car for emergencies. And check your battery regularly to avoid getting stranded. Sluggish acceleration. Let's get your car moving like it should. Start with the air filter. Replace it if it's dirty or clogged. Add fuel injector cleaner to your gas tank to clear out stubborn deposits. Check spark plugs and ignition coils. Replace or test them if your car misfires or hesitates. Keep tires inflated to the recommended PSI for best acceleration and fuel economy. Swap out a clogged fuel filter if your car has one. It can make a big difference. Clean the mass airflow sensor for smoother throttle response. These simple fixes restore lost power and boost efficiency. Don't settle for a slow ride. DIY your way to better performance and enjoy driving again. Now, you know how to fix the most common car problems yourself. No more wasting money at the mechanic. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to Fix Pro Garage for more DIY tips. Drop your car questions in the comments. I'm here to help. Drive safe and keep those wheels turning.